With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students. So in this question, they have given the structure formula of the compound A. This is the structure formula of compound A. We have C6H11 and N. They say it is resolvable. Okay, resolvable means it has a structure which can be resolved. Okay, it is dissolved in dilute hydrochloric acid and react with HNO3, and then means it can react with HCl and HNO3. So why we have to predict what actually the compound A is. See, the very first thing you should know about the resolvable word. Resolvable means we have this nitrogen compound, right? We have resolvable means the nitrogen with a lone pair. Nitrogen is always with the lone pair, right? Nitrogen which is primary and secondary. Primary amine and secondary amine, these are categorized as the resolvable amines. Okay, primary means with two hydrogens and one carbon, R you can see here. Okay, and secondary means we have nitrogen with lone pairs and two carbon, R groups, and one hydrogen, right? So these two are called as the resolvable amines. Okay, so now what we have seen that these we have to select which of the mean might be present over here, right? So now they have said that it is dissolved in hydrochloric acid and HNO3. So what is the common thing about acid is it will give H positive ion. Okay, so it reacts with means the compound will accept this H positive ion. So we know that this R group, R or CH3 group we can take. These both are electron donating groups, right? Electron donating groups means it will give the electron density, give electron density to nitrogen, and it will increase nitrogen's basicity, right? Basicity means it will increase the power to accept H plus ion more on the compound which have more R or CH3 group. So now you can see in these both structures are secondary amine having the 2R, it will get more electrons, more electron density. So it will have the more tendency to accept this H positive. So we can assume that our A, the first quality of A is it is secondary amine, right? So secondary amine, we have secondary amine means it has the two R group and one hydrogen attached to it, right? So now the next thing we know that in our formula we are given with C6H11N, right? So now we know amine group means we have this group means one NH is minused from this compound, and we are left with C6H 10 and N is taken over here, right? So now we can easily see our compound which fulfill this parameters. Okay, so let's get started. So if you see the option A, it says that the compound has a six-membered ring. Okay, six-membered ring and with NH2. NH2 means it is primary amine, right? Primary amine. So we are dealing with secondary, so primary amine is not an option. Okay. In B, we have secondary with two carbon, one hydrogen, but you can calculate the number of carbon over here. We have carbon number 6. Okay, carbon number 6 means we have in whole compound we have only 6 carbons and 10 hydrogen left with one with nitrogen. Okay, so you can count over here 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. In this whole compound there are C7, but we have C6, so this is the wrong answer again. Okay, so now if we go to the option number C, we have again a secondary amine. Yes, this condition is fulfilled. And if we count the number of carbons, we have 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 5, and this one is 6th. Yes, the number of carbons are also matched. Okay, so now in this D option also 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 carbon number is also matched. So but you have to see one thing, that when we talk about resolvable, we mean all groups with nitrogen are different. All groups should be different. Means it should be a chiral nitrogen types. Okay, all the groups should be different. But in the C, you can see this group, if we divide this into equal parts, okay, here if we cut, see this group has a double bond in the second and third position. If we go this side, it doesn't have the double bond in this position, right? So this two carbons, they are different, right? But when we talk about this one, here the carbon the double bond is exactly on the same, so it is not that different from this one. So our option C is the correct option, because here the N has all the different groups, plus we have here both the conditions, NH secondary amine and this carbon count is same. So our option D is wrong answer and option C is the correct option. So for this, A structure will be option C. Okay, so this was the question, guys. I hope you understand it. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.